Was in Cowboy Heights just recently doing some work with somebody when we heard the train going through. We actually finished up that last job just in time to catch the train going across the river off the Brett line to the main line in Prince, West Virginia. So I got lucky and got to get that train on video. Didn't get it going through Cowboy Heights on Mascot though, but did catch it in Prince. So enjoy the video. Oh, by the way, if you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe to one of those trains here on YouTube. $99 coal, huh? Usually when I might start walking, the train goes by, I don't have time to film it because I don't get home off walking time. Boy, I'm too far from the tracks. I think I was in Cowboy Heights. I could hear the train going through Mascot in Cowboy Heights, but I was literally a mile from the crossing. Why did I not snap the... Okay, I messed up on that one. I could have snapped a couple of nice photos of the engines on the bridge. Go. Well, that's an interesting looking car. They got the face on the front of it, which I didn't get that in the video because I didn't point towards the car. Actually stopping. Can't go across the river right now because, well, I could, but the car's over there on the other side of the tracks. Well, okay. I think I'm gonna pause and stop the video until I start moving again.
The
spirit of Birmingham sticker unit was on the end of this train, which I zoomed in the camera, but it's hard to get on video. Interesting. Okay, people do some crazy stuff. Donuts on the highway bridge. It is extremely rare for me to film a train here because I hardly ever time it right to catch and cross this bridge. However, the main line not that far away, I do film trains there a lot. I got the second opportunity to get some pictures of the engines. Got the helper units in the back. Spirit unit. Zoom in here. I can't tell what it says from here. Well, now I can get over to the station. See if anything's coming on the main line now.